Today we're making Chile Verde. We're doing a smoked Chile Verde. We do it on the Traeger outside, smoke the pork for a couple hours and get some flavor into it, and then make my own Salsa Verde from scratch. We get a bag of Tomatillos, a half a bag of poblanos, a half a bag of Anaheims, a handful of jalapeños, and then we throw in some white onion and garlic and seasonings to go with it. It's pretty much measured by sight. I chose Chile Verde because it's a dish in the firehouse that's pretty close to my heart. When I got hired, you always hear about firehouse chili, and it seemed like Chile Verde was our department's firehouse chili. So this is our little garden back here. It's nice having our own fresh produce. We go through a lot of jalapeños, and it's nice to not have to get everything from the store. I've been a firefighter with the City of Fresno for 16 years now. I'm originally from Massachusetts. I moved out in 2004. I love it here. We've made our family here. We've put down roots. Joe! I don't know if it's like abuelita used to make it, but this is how the ginger makes it. I love all you guys.
Thank you, George. Thanks, George.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Martha.